friend of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this HONOR. Firstly, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll down. Now click on Sound and Vibration and click on Vibration over here. This way you will mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. When you're ready, you can scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone and tap on Vibration to SIM 1 and SIM 2. Then tap on one of those vibration patterns to set up the best one for you, like beat or short, or disable vibration pattern completely by choosing none. You can do the same for your notifications by choosing notification tone, tapping on vibration, and doing exactly the same. When you're ready, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on More Settings. Finally, tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also tap on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!